part here. We have the entranceway. And the room's already that tall, so why not keep the entranceway that tall? Oh, there. So the basic layout is almost finished. I think the only thing I have to do now is finish this bottom part here, the cave, or the cliff wall here, and then these support things, which I haven't built yet. Oh, and finish the walls there. So that's a pretty boring room right there right now. But I'm sure I'll figure out something to do that will make it less boring. Now for this wall here. I might I'm not sure if I like those donut things, but we'll see. We can create this. Just have this wall to make. Oh, what happened there? That's ugly. Oh well, we'll fix that. worked well on the other side, so we'll just copy this position. Oh. There. Quick fix. No, and I guess I have to finish off this here. And just line these up so it's easier. We'll use the hinge tool again. Now, we shall use something called soft selection, I think. Yes, soft selection isn't open normally. You have to open it there. And this fall-off part, I'll show you what it does and then explain it a little better. So I've only selected the bottom two here, both soft selection. As you can see, it affects more than just the ones I have selected. It falls off, as the colors show you. And whatever you do to the selected ones, something similar will happen to all the other ones, but to a lesser degree. So if I just brought that down like that, it has an elongated curve. If I increase the fall off, you have to be careful about the fall off because it can affect things you don't want to. Like say it was that big. Looks like it's melting or something. Which is a cool effect, but not what I want, so I'll bring that back down. To there. Then we have an elongated thing there, which is an interesting shape. Remember to turn it off though, because it doesn't automatically turn off. Then we can extrude that out. But actually, I want to not do that. Get rid of those. And this one. And then do this. When I extrude it, it's at an angle. Just not straight back. If I had thought of that while I was doing the hinge thing, I wouldn't have done it 90 degrees. Now the thing I just did here, this is the reference coordinate system list. So normally it's set on view. That means X, Y, and Z are constant no matter how you look at it. Or no matter where anything is in the space. And local means it will look at the local normal of what you have selected, or the local orientation, and align the movement thing to that. So I can just pull it straight out, when normally when it was view, you could only pull it along that, or like that. If I wanted it to go along that line, I'd have to fiddle with it, and that's kind of hard to do. So you do local, and you just pull it out. Now the other thing is screen, and that means the z-axis is always pointing towards you, so no matter where you're looking, this would go up according to the screen, the 2D screen, not in 3D space. So if I wanted to move it out that way, it would actually move this way. You can fiddle with those if you want. Some of them don't seem to do much. But there you go. So now I have an almost completed level. And I think the last thing that I will do here will be this part. Oh, and I guess I have a few more things to do, so better get cracking. Now, if we go back to my concepts here, things that I found on the internet, I had that one picture, this one, specifically because I like this rounded shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the hinge from edge tool again, but first I want to do this.